So finally gonna freaking install Two Brothers exhaust. It's a Two Brothers Black Series. So first, the sound of it right now. Pretty wimpy. Alright. So we can take it off. Put on Two Brothers full system exhaust on it. Yes. Alright, so just finished removing the headers. Well, the old exhaust system I had to take off. This side of the fairings, including the cool little grill looking thing, which is that right there. Wasn't really too hard at all. It took us about 5 minutes to remove everything. Now we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna remove the old O-rings if they're not stuck on here, which no, they're not. We're gonna remove the old O-rings, the old gaskets for the exhaust. We're gonna put new ones. These are the ones that I got. It's a double seal. It's a crush type gasket, and also that stuff on it that you see, it's blue, is it's a sealer as well. It's supposed to seal it when it gets hot. So we'll go ahead and put that on. Whenever you change out your headers or take your headers off, you always want to put on new gaskets. Make sure it seals properly. All right, so put that.
You take it too, I didn't do all for them.
All right, so finally got it on. It was a pain in the ass. Headers ready to get on. Everything else sucked. We got new polished headers. A new Two Brothers racing exhaust with a silencer on it. So we'll see what it sounds like with the silencer, and then we'll take off the silencer and then try it that way. Bike's not warm, so. Fuck.
Dude, it was shooting flames.
Yeah. Okay, so probably just woke up my neighbors. It's kind of late. Anyways, fuck it. I'm excited. All right, so remove the decibel killer, and we're gonna try it on. Try it out. See how it sounds now. And it'd be awesome if fucking security would just leave me alone. Oh, that's not security. Cool. That's probably one of the angry neighbors. Alright, let's try it out.
Wait, hold on.
Oh, come on, Brandon.
I just want to get on video. 1, 2. Alright, go ahead.
Fuck, this is loud, oh god. Wow. Damn.